In this video, I'm going to demo how to compute the financial ratio DSO against a Microsoft Analysis Cube. Here is the formula for computing the DSO. Account receivables divided by credit sales times the number of days in the period. Let's start by calculating the number of days. Here I am in the Information Design tool with a business layer that points to the Finance Demo Cube from Microsoft. In order to get the number of days, I will define a calculated measure. I give it a name, number of days. Click on the MDX assistant in order to write the MDX expression. I need to specify that I want to count a set of days. I can look at the set functions available. I choose descendants. I specify the current member from the time hierarchy. And the level where the days are. I close the two functions and check whether the expression is valid or not. The expression is valid. I can close the MDX assistant. My new measure, number of days, is ready to be tested in a query. From the query panel, I choose the time hierarchy. In the member selector, I select the root member all periods and ask for its descendants until the level month. I insert the new measure, number of days, and run the query. We can see that the query returned the expected values. In the underlying script, the calculated measure appears in the with clause of the MDX query that is generated behind the scene. Now it's time to compute the DSO ratio itself. For that, I'm going to create a calculated member. I name it DSO. I open the MDX assistant and write the formula. In order to find a member from the accounts hierarchy, I use the member picker. I expand the accounts hierarchy to find the trade receivables member. Divided by, again I expand the accounts hierarchy to find the trade sales member. Times the number of days that I pick and choose from the business layer. I check the expression. It is valid. I can close the MDX assistant. To complete the DSO member, I will specify a format string saying that the DSO value represents a number of days. Let's go to the query panel and try the new DSO calculation. I insert the level quarter. I insert the accounts hierarchy. From the member selector, I search for members which name starts with trade. I select trade receivables and trade sales from the search results. In the Metadata tab, I select the DSO member. To complete my query, I insert the measure amount as well as its attribute in order to obtain the formatted value. I run the query and check that the values are correct. I will conclude this demo by showing how to make a flat layout of the DSO accounts. First, I define a named set to capture my DSO member selection. It is a business name set that includes the members' trade receivables, trade sales, and the DSO calculation. Then I create a dimension DSO account to obtain a flat layout. For the expression, I simply drag and drop the name set that I've just created. I specify the underlying OLAP hierarchy. That's it. Let's go back to the query panel. I insert the quarter level, my dimension DSO account, the measure amount and its attribute. I run the query. We can see that we obtain the expected flat layout.